Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have another vlog, and this week I have basically nothing going on other than my usual routine. So it's kind of like you're seeing a very homebody week in my life. I don't know, I'm doing very bare minimum things. Yesterday there was an event that I went to, and then after that I ended up having coffee with Rajni, Bone 2 with Pose, and then after that today all I've really done is just some work stuff and gym, which is honestly what my everyday routine looks like. Work stuff and gym or some sort of workout. I'm just doing my skincare before I head to bed. I just posted a week in my skincare video. I know it's like not the right preposition, but for some reason it sounds good, like week in my skincare. So I just posted that. Go watch that if you're curious about my skincare. I'm doing retinol today, I guess. This is the IS Clinical Retinol. This is retinol plus emulsion 0.3. Not really much else to report. I just wanted to say hi, because if I don't, I feel like this might just become a silent vlog. Randomly my camera just like fully stopped working while I was shooting. That's so weird. Anyway, it's literally never happened. It's like so odd. I've officially finished my Laneige Cica sleeping mask. It's going in my empties pile. And for today I'm going to use the Plssss Maple Energy Infusing Cream, which is very good. It's very thick and good for my dry skin. My armpits are still peeling, but not like intensely anymore, just a little bit. I've been using this, I don't know, I don't really want to use it. First, I'm going in with the Indie World eye cream. I've been using this for like 2 days now. Let's see if it's doing anything. I also really have noticed I really dislike things being on my eyelashes. And I've been using this eyelash and brow serum. This is from this brand called Nera. I don't know. I kind of noticed this morning when I woke up so many more eyelashes, or I don't know if it was brow hairs, had literally fallen off overnight. So I'm like, is that normal? Anyway, Indie Wild Dewy Lip Treatment, as always. Yeah, that's it. We're ready for bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello guys, I sadly don't have that much more to vlog. I feel like I had so many plans for this week and mostly all of them got canned. So I didn't really have that much to shoot, and it ended up being like a very homebody, productive week in my life type video, and I have to stop recording now so that I can edit and get this up for you, because when I miss uploads I'm getting DMs from you guys being like, where's the upload? So I want to at least post 3 times a month, and for that to happen this month I have to post something this Sunday, and it's currently Friday and I need some time to edit it as well. Plus I'm traveling to a very exciting place, and that means that I also have to shoot and edit and prep and keep another YouTube video ready to go up when I'm not here. And I think I'm also gonna take it a little bit slower during that time when I'm traveling with content. I'm trying not, usually I would like plan a bunch of stuff, shoot a bunch of stuff before I travel and have it like scheduled and ready to go, but this time I really do not feel like stressing myself out. I just want to enjoy my trip, and I also don't want to overwork myself before my trip, because every time I overwork myself I end up falling sick on the trip and not enjoying the trip. So yeah, I've decided that I'm just gonna take it a bit chill this time and not make it like a content trip, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do like a bunch of stuff in advance before I actually travel, and I'm leaving in 5 days, and I have a lot to do in terms of packing and work stuff and sorting everything before I go, because I don't think as I said, I don't think I'm even going to be shooting that much while I'm there. So yeah, I have to get this video up this week so that I have time still to get another one up for next week when I'm not here, is like the long story short. And sadly it was kind of like a boring vlog, but I say this many times, which is that like the boring vlogs are the most realistic. This is actually what my life is like. Even though it seems like I'm an influencer and I go to like a bunch of events, I'm always like here, there, everywhere, this is honestly what it's like. Like I'm just working out every day or every other day, and I'm sitting at a laptop or I'm sitting in front of a camera to shoot. Like that's literally it. Yeah, anyway, I started also like a new workout regimen. If you saw, I've gotten a trainer. I mentioned this I think in the last vlog, and he is absolutely phenomenal. And he's really taken like my neck pain and my shoulder pain issue that I was really struggling with to like a whole other level, in the sense he's like made it so much better. Just strength training and mobility has made such a massive difference in my life. Like I can't even believe how much. So I'm quite glad that I decided to, you know, scale down the Pilates and like focus more with training with him, because his approach is so holistic, and I feel like it's exactly what I needed and craved. My body was craving for this. And yeah, I feel like he could notice a lot of imbalances in my body, like areas that I need to work on, and we're working on that, and I can really feel a massive difference, which is quite exciting. And it's really exciting to be pain free. And yeah, it's like I just felt like I should update you, because I've droned on about my neck pain for so long, and I feel I owe you an update. And as for the IBS and stuff like that I was dealing with, I did that 2-week detox type program. Not a program, okay, I don't know why I'm calling it a program, but I did a 2-week course of medication that was doctor prescribed, and since then I feel so much better. Like I since then have reduced how much I consume milk. I've switched over to oat milk as much as I could, but I'm still struggling with like that, because sometimes oat milk tastes so bad. So yeah, but after that whole 2-week period and becoming more regular with my supplements and becoming like properly systemized and planned in the gym, I feel like it made such a big difference to my overall life, and my stomach is so much better, my gut is so much better. So yeah, highly recommend go and fix your gut issues if you have gut issues like me. And I think with that I'm gonna close this video off. I would have included skincare, but literally just last week I posted a whole week in my skincare routine, so obviously nothing really has changed from that skincare routine. I still do the same things. Yeah, I felt like it might be just a little bit redundant, but either ways, I really hope you enjoyed chilling with me, and I hope you had a restful week, or at least you have a restful week in the coming week. And I'll see you next week with another video. Make sure to subscribe, please. It really helps me a lot, and I will see you soon. Bye.